Hello friends, this is Yashwant here. I am going to start a new YouTube channel which is regards to traveling all over the India and exploring the places in bike. So I am going to make this introduction video much more interesting. So today we purchased a safety gear which is very useful while riding in a bike because safety is the most important thing. So while riding in a highways, wear a complete safety gear. So waste the time. Let's get into the video. This is the helmet which I bought in a HDR Motors BTM Live Bangalore. So this is a Axor one. Okay, so let's see the helmet. Yeah, this is the helmet which is got with a hunter theme, which is red and black combination helmet. It is looking very pretty. So at the same time, they are given an inbuilt anti-fog visor, so which is cost around 600 to 700 rupees for additional charges for our helmet. Anti-fog lens, which is very useful while riding in a rainy season or Himalayas or any cool places. So on that case, this anti-fog lens will very useful to us. Here they are given their logo, which is looking very good because they are given in a good shape. Okay, at the same time comes to the safety part. Okay, this is a dot certified and EC certified and the Indian certified helmet. Okay, it costed me around 4600 rupees. So, and let's get into this visor. So it is a one click open visor, which is very easy to remove the visor and change the new one. And they are given a 3 air vents, which is very useful to wear this helmet for a long time, because if we wear the helmet for 1 or 2 hours means it will comfortable. If we wear the helmet for 10 hours 11 hours while riding in a long ride, so we have to get some air inside the helmet, right? So on that case it will very useful. And next comes to the interior part. Yeah. They are given a chin curtain, which is very useful while riding in a hundreds of speeds. So this will avoid the wind blast into the. They are given a anti-allergic material, which is very useful while riding in a sun. It is a washable padding. We can remove it and we can plug it. We can wash it also. Okay, it's not a problem. And comes to the locking system. So this is a dual ring lock mechanism, which is using in race tracks and all. Don't have this lock mechanism in race track, they will not allow us to drive the bike. Okay, so here spoiler is given a pretty decent look to this helmet. If we don't have this spoiler means it look like a bold helmet. So by this spoiler, it is looking very good. Okay, that's it. This is the helmet. I forgot one more important thing, which is second visor. Okay, so let's open the first visor. Okay, so this is the second visor, which is useful while riding in a sun. Yeah, they are given another poly bag which is contained some stickers and all. Let's get into it. Yeah, they are given their logo over there, and they are given some blood group stickers. If we stick our blood group in our helmet means they will know that what is our blood group. In emergency cases it will very useful. Yeah, at the same time they are guiding in the nights, it will reflect. So on that case they will know that someone is riding over there. I explained little bit less only because so many videos are in the YouTube by explaining the Axor helmet. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Please give a thumbs up to our Travel with Yash.